Hi YouTube team, my name is Talha Siraj and my channel name is Shayan Info TV. This is my channel link. I recently applied for monetization of my channel, but it was not monetized and I received a reuse issue. This made me very sad because I have uploaded total 2 videos on this channel and this is my most popular video which has more than 4 lakh views. If I play this video for you, you will see that it has my own voiceover, my own script and my own visual representation. Style and the clips that I have used in it are also my own. This video is a travel documentary in which I described the culture of our tribe, their way of living and their history. The entire video is my own creation. And now I show you my most recent video of this channel. I means my second video. And if I also play this video for you, it has more than 70,000 views. As you can see, this video also has my own voiceover, my own created visuals and clips, and my completely genuine creation and video editing. This video was made by me on the culture of Tibet and their lifestyle. Now I want to clarify you how I edit my videos. First of all, I write the script. After that, to convert that script into voiceover, I use Audacity software. I open Audacity first, and as soon as I click on the red button, my recording starts. I stay silent for a few seconds first, and then I start reading the script. Now I have recorded my script and I select the part at the beginning where I was silent for a few seconds. Then I click on effects at the top, click on noise reduction, and after that I click on get noise profile and click on OK. This capture the noise, and after it I select the entire voiceover and apply noise reduction, which removes all the noise from the audio. Take the voiceover even more crisp. I apply a compression effect to it and then I simply export my voiceover as audio. And for video editing, I open Filmora, and as soon as I open it, I add my voiceover and all my assets, clips and photos into it according to my voiceover and script. I drag the audio into the timeline and place my assets on it according to the voiceover. Now all the assets are placed. After that, to make my video more engaging, I apply some effects on it. Then I add my channel logo at the top and also write my channel name on the side. Then I simply export my video into 4K. If during video editing I need background music, I use music from YouTube audio library because there are many copyright free music tracks available there. If I need any video clips, I use copyright free clips from the Pexels website, which are completely free to use and copyright free. I understand YouTube fair use policies very well and I make my videos while keeping all the policies in my mind. So please turn on the monetization of my channel so that I can continue to create high quality and engaging content like this for my audience. Thank you so much for listening me. Thanks.